Morning guys, it's July 29th, 2020. This one I got a call from some lady that 5 years ago and now the AC is not working. So, doesn't sound like the filters have been changed or anything, so I'm going to go over there and see if we can get it going for the lady.
Turn right on Old West Port Road.
Alright, so the filter is clean. That's got to be cleaned every so often, ma'am, you know?
Okay.
Well, that's good enough for now. Alright, turn on the AC and turn it on and turn it down. I'll check the unit outside, okay?
Turn it, how much?
Turn it on cooling and then turn it down so it runs.
Okay.
So put it like, you know, below 70.
Okay.
So it'll run, and I'll check it outside. It's a Goodman brown turd. It's a Goodman brown turd. Ain't starting. Sounds like a bad cap to me. They don't want to start. So I shut it off at the breaker there. I shut the breaker off. Let's see what's going on with it. You ever try to start? No good. That's our problem right there. See how puffy it is? That's our problem. I got the breaker off. Breaker 19. Breaker 19. What size is it?
It's on.
Yeah, needs a capacitor. So 35.5.
So what does that mean?
Needs a capacitor.
That's something we fix today, or?
I'm gonna do it right now and get it up and running.
Okay.
Capacitor's got a little humdinger to it, doesn't it? That's definitely a problem. It's definitely a problem. We'll just make sure that there's no, make sure that the power's off. I shut the breaker off, but not always 100%, right? It's a millivolts, that's kind of odd. Alright, we're off. Put the Titan in there. No better than any other Japanese unit. They're all the same. They all suck. They're all terrible. All of them. Alright, so the brown is the one pole, is the fan. You can see it's puffy, it's no good. The brown goes on the one, which is the fan. The Hearn is the 3, which is the yellow, which goes on the 3, and these are the two commons. That's a common. and a common. Them going the 4-prong. Alright, it should start now. Let's see, it's puffy. See how that's definitely. Let's see if this even. Houston, we have ignition. Nice and hot up here. See, it's already starting to sweat, nice and cold. See how it's sweating? This is really hot, actually. Charge is gonna be fine on this one. It's a bad cap. Nice and hot here. Yeehaw! Actually, definitely a puff.